This is Burt Stiles. He survived the unimaginable chaos of the American Civil War, only to return home to a world that didn't know how to look at him. He lost his arm at the height of the conflict, but the war didn't end for Burt in 1865. The war ended, but for him, the struggle was just beginning. I've spent months researching the real stories of 20 men whose wounds were captured in these rare, authentic medical archives, portraits history books almost never show. What happened to them after the camera stopped rolling? The answer will change how you see these men forever. Some rebuilt empires, others vanished into obscurity, and some, you won't believe what they did with the lives they fought to save. We are used to seeing the Civil War through AI-colorized imagery or glossy romanticized paintings. But these portraits? This is the raw truth. These men were part of a massive, systematic medical photography project. We have their names. We have their wounds. From severe abdominal trauma, like Captain Robert Stolpe, to the heartbreaking emaciation of men, like Private James H. Stokes. History books have spent 150 years focusing on the tactics of the battle, not the aftermath of the hospital tent. Today, we finally close that gap. We're going to trace their footsteps, from the battlefield, into the infirmary, and finally, into the lives they carved out for themselves after the smoke cleared. We begin with the men who were defined by the moment they were broken. Colonel J.H. Jaycox, John F. Claghorn, Colonel Samuel Thummer, Colonel James Strong, and Private Joseph Harvey. They all lost limbs above the elbow, or suffered catastrophic trauma in the thick of the fight. Their stories aren't just about the injury. They're about the sheer brutality of 1860s battlefield medicine. When these men were wounded, they didn't just lose a limb. They lost their livelihood, their identity, and their place in the military hierarchy. Next, we look at the men who had to face a new reality. James Brownlee, Private Charles Meyer, Private George W. Lemon, Private Byron Hodge, and Private Charles Fox. For these five, the war didn't end when the surgeon finished. It ended when they walked down the main street of their hometown and saw the faces of their friends and the pity in their eyes. They had to navigate a country that was changing rapidly, even as their own bodies remained stuck in the shadow of the war. Then there are the survivors who refuse to be hidden. Private James Gatfield, Robert Fryer, Thomas Berry, Richard T. Gilbert, and Private James H. Stokes. Richard T. Gilbert, for example, lost his leg above the knee and relied on this crutch for the rest of his life. These men had to reinvent what normal looked like. They had to teach themselves to farm, to work, and to live with a level of pain that modern medicine still struggles to treat. Finally, the men who turned their tragedy into a foundation for the future. Generals Cansicles and Graham, Lieutenant Adolphus D. Campbell, Burt Stiles, Captain Robert Stolpe, and our man from the Hook. They didn't just survive, they thrived. They became doctors, founders of new towns in the West, and vocal advocates for veterans' rights. Their legacy is the very backbone of the rebuilding of the American dream. So what happened to them? The battle was only the beginning. The trauma was real, the physical cost was permanent, but their legacy wasn't defined by the wound. They went home to rebuild a shattered nation. They didn't just survive the war, they helped shape the peace. The man we started with, Burt Stiles, he didn't just go back to a quiet life. He became a symbol of resilience for his community, proving that even after the ultimate sacrifice, there was a life to be lived. They are a reminder that history isn't just dates and strategies. It's made of ordinary men facing extraordinary circumstances. Their war ended in 1865. Their stories, however, never did. Which of these 20 faces stayed with you today? If you happen to be a descendant of one of these men, or if you recognize a name, please share their story in the comments below. Let's make sure their after is finally recorded. And if you want to see more untold truths from history, click here to watch my latest deep dive.